Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, welcome to your weekly reading for the days 8th of July till 14th of July. I hope you have watched the Saturn retrograde and Jupiter retrograde readings for this month of July with respect to relationship and career. And I hope you have watched your July month overall zodiac wise reading. If not, these links are already there in the description box. Let's begin our reading for this week, 8th of July till 14th of July. If your Sun, Moon, Rising or Venus are in any of the earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, this reading is for you. I'm going to use my Lenormand cards and I'm going to draw a 3x3 9 cards tableau, and we'll see how these cards interact and what information they give. Okay, so let's see how this week is going to be for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, 8th of July till 14th of July. So I'm going to draw these cards. It will be a 3x3 9 cards tableau, and then we'll see how they interact. If this reading resonates with you, please share it with your loved ones. Hit the like button. You can share your comments in the comment section also. So let me, okay, this way I believe you will be able to see. Okay, let me overturn them. You start with the sickle, scythe, dog, clouds, mice, okay, garden, fox. We have the last one, tree, letter, and fish. Okay, fish is one of the cards that while I was pre-shuffling, it actually jumped out. So something, you know, something in terms of your money matters are definitely very important. And why am I saying that? Because we have some very challenging cards. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, it seems that this week is all about money, abundance, stability, employment, etc. Okay, so let's read the first and the last card. Normally the theme of the reading can be derived, like I specifically believe that way. So we are starting with scythe, that is sickle, and ending with fish. So it's a sudden change in terms of your money matters. Okay, there is some sort of change, or rather I would say there can be some sort of removal of something, and it can be removal of some what do you call uncertainties, because scythe is actually cutting something or removing something. So and we have some challenging cards like mice and clouds, fox here. So somewhere around, and all of them are actually interacting somehow with this card sickle. So I think somewhere down you're cutting through stress, you're cutting through some losses, you're cutting through negative thinking with respect to your money. So we'll see how that happens, how the other placements talk about in details. All right, so coming on to the 4 corner cards, sickle, tree, fish, cloud. Okay, so in terms of some sort of stability, I think you will also be worried about your health, because tree is health. It is also abundance. It is something of long term, which is giving you some challenging time. And sickle can be injection. It can be some sort of, you know, cut or something. So just take care of your health, because somewhere down you are actually worried about either some sort of surgery, small surgery, not the big one, or you have to cut through some sort of stress. Okay. towards, and that is, I think it is good for you so that you can maintain a good health. So that is one thing I am getting from here. Or else it has something to do with cutting through your negative thinking or overthinking about stability in terms of money, business, abundance, or something. Okay, so that's your corner cards talking about. Let me go ahead with the diagonals first. So sickle, garden, fish. Okay, so there can be some sort of curtailment in terms of some of the meetings. So maybe some clients of yours may not turn up. Maybe there is a meeting that has to happen which is regarding your business or money or money matters or something, or employment matters. There this things are preponed or postponed, something of that sort, some removal or some curtailing of event is happening, because garden normally represents a social network. Okay, here a lot of employment money, social networking is coming into picture. Okay, so we'll just deal with all the cards, we'll see how they are interacting. So sickle, garden, and fish actually is talking about there is some sort of change in the plan, in terms of some of your meetings regarding the work. Okay. Moreover, there can be some clients who will stay back. I mean, they may not show up for something. So that can be one of the things, and that may bring about some sort of stress to you. Okay, because sickle also is going ahead with mice, and mice is, in case you're dealing with such clients, mice is a card which talks about, in terms of person, it talks about not trusting that person, or else some stressful situation. Somebody is just like kind of cutting corners. Okay, we'll talk about that once we see columns. Okay, and then the next diagonal we have is tree, and garden, and cloud. Okay. So there is something that you have to keep patience on, because you have some of your clients or some people involved in your social network, in your friends, family, who are who are taking time to decide on something. So that is also coming with your the first diagonal, because cloud is a card of uncertainty, thinking and overthinking, and not being clear. So somebody in your social network is not clear about their next move. So they are kind of pulling themselves back. It can be one of your employees also. Okay, but that is what is coming, or friends, something, because the first row we have sickle, dog, and cloud. So dog is normally a very loyal friend of yours. Somebody, maybe it can be one of your juniors, it can be a sibling of yours, somebody junior, somebody younger, or a very loyal friend. Okay, so that relationship angle is there. So something, this person is not very clear. So this person is confused, or creating some sort of confusion by changing the course of action. Okay, and why am I saying it is more to do with employees? Because we have fox also. So dog is actually, in this diagonal, dog is interacting with fox, and fox most of the times is employee. Okay, so it can be one of your junior employees who's cutting corners, and is, because mice is also interacting with it, so somewhere down that is causing some sort of stress, and you cannot trust this person, because this person is confused, is not telling you everything, not because I don't see deception here, but probably this person is mentally not clear about some information, and is not providing you that. Okay, second row is mice, garden, fox. So yes, again, somebody in your social network is stressed out, or is sneaking away, is being very deceptive, or is being very silent, silent or moving very slow. Why? Because he or she is actually confused. So somebody in your social network isn't giving you every information, or rather I would say tells you something that confuses you a lot. Okay, so there is a lot of confusion with respect to your money matters and in your social network. So at this point of time, I believe it is always better to be a little more strategic, because fox is also a card of strategy. Okay, being very corporate, kind of diplomatic, kind of a very tricky card. Okay, so it can be somebody else playing some sort of trick or being silent, or also it is from our side also to be able to be silent, slow and shrewd to find that out, or being very diplomatic ourselves so that we can deal with this stressful situation. It can be one of your because tree also talks about some sort of family abundance or inheritance or something of that sort. Not just health, but it also talks about something which has taken long time to grow, and that is normally a family business or something. So there, if somebody is involved, some employees are involved, they are not clear. They are not clear in their intentions, and they are kind of very deceptive. They have a very deceptive approach. They are actually hiding out, causing some sort of losses here. And you have to cut through those losses. You have to make sure that you don't overspend. So sickle and fish also talks about saving money. You may be cut corners with expenses. That's very important. It can be debts also, debts in your business, something of that sort. So Taurus this week, 8th to the 14th of 8th to the 14th of July, I think it is more to do with your money. It is more to do with dealing with people in your social network, in your friends and family, who are not giving you every clear indication of what they want. Their loyalty is at stake. You cannot trust them at the moment, because this dog is actually interacting with not just mice, it is also interacting with fox and directly with clouds. Okay, and this definitely is not your sibling, but somebody in junior, because this card is knitting with fish, just like the 2.5 in chess that happens. Tree, again, this person is something to do with your family business, or some business that you run from quite some time. Okay, because tree also talks about growth. So that's your first row. Second row we just talked about, right? Mice, garden and fox. So somebody is sneaking away some sort of information and being very clever and shrewd, and you also will have to be very diplomatic in dealing with such situation. Sickle and fox are actually knitting with one another. That means you have to cut through the deception around in your social network or around in your environment, because this fox is not just knitting with sickle, it is also knitting with your family business, your growth in money, etc., in employment, your employees. So you have to be very careful in dealing with them. So I think this week for sure, I read for others also. There was the other reading also had some that was more about partnership, I guess. Here it is more to do with your friends, family, business, people, employees, etc. Okay, it's more to do with money. There it was more to do with partnership. All right. The last row seems to be fine. I believe it is tree, letter, fish. So there is a growth with respect to some, you receive some information that helps you to grow your money. And there is some formal letter that comes, and this T is also coinciding with there is this T formation here. Okay, so somebody gives you some information that helps you to grow your business, but simultaneously you cannot trust the person who is not giving you full information. Because letter is knitting with sickle, so this information that reaches you is not the complete information. There is some cut there. Something has been something is definitely cloudy here, because sickle, letter and cloud, they form a triangle. Okay, this way. So it is, and they are knitting also one another with one another. So some information has been curtailed, causing some sort of uncertainty, and not there is no clarity here. Okay. If we talk about these, the what do you call it? The diamonds, the outer diamond, it is mice, dog, fox, and letter. I think we just read it, right? So this way also you cannot trust this person who brings in some sort of information. Either you cannot trust the person who brings the information, it can be somebody junior, or the information, some legal mail or correspondence that you receive with respect to money, with respect to your clients. And normally letter is it's a written correspondence. Okay, it's a legal contractual correspondence. It's not, it is very rarely, it is, I would say, to do with calls and SMS and WhatsApp. It is more to do with something. And since here we are dealing with the employment and money matters, and this social network and all that, I think it is some sort of legal correspondence that you get which is not clear. There is something that has been cut, there is something that has been sneaked away, and it causes some sort of uncertainties in your money matter. So Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus from 8th to the 14th of July, please make sure that you don't take people or information at face value. Please make sure that you yourself act very tactfully. You have to be strategic in trusting, not trusting, because the information that you're getting, at least in terms of your family business or in terms of money matters, they are cloudy. It's shady. Okay, let me just see if there is something else we can find out from here. Health, I believe I have already told you. Some sort of small health matters may crop up that would require some sort of, or you may have some cuts or something that may cause some sort of stress, but yeah, you will be able to recover from there. That is for few of you, not everyone, because here this tree is coming up with a lot of money and abundance and legal papers and all that. So I don't think that would resonate. This health thing would resonate with everybody. Any other knitting that is happening? Money matters, you'll be confused, and yeah, so cloud, fox and fish is like, clouds and fox is like a deceptive thought, not very clear thoughts regarding the money matters. Fox and fish is also at times your employment matter, corporate life, okay, workaholic, somebody workaholic, you can say, in your environment, who is quite uncertain or not to be trusted with the information. So yeah, there will be some sort of trust issue that you would face in your business, in your career, in your money matters. Don't trust people at face value. This is what is my final, this is what I am getting from here. At least your social network needs to be taken, needs to be, what do you call, has to be dealt with tactfully. Okay? So be diplomatic, be a Libra. You don't have to, okay, here there is no communication card from your side that what you should be doing. You should be tactful, diplomatic, slow, silent, very alert, okay, in speaking something or taking things as they come. You have to have that wisdom to handle the situation. That's what I'm getting, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Please take care of yourself. This is what I have for you for this week. All the best. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe if you have yet not subscribed, and share it with your loved ones. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.